Good morning, Philippines!
Why the fuck didn't you say so in the first place? I've got third stage heart disease.
Good morning, everything. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy Easter weekend. Yun. Weekend na tayo. And kain lang tayo ng ano. Mag-cereal tayo, guys. You wanna go out, Misty? Yung ginaw kasi, guys. Grabe. Maganda yung ano, may araw. Pero maginaw, 25 degrees sa labas. And guys, ito na naman tayo sa cereal. Hindi ako nakabili ng cereal when I went to Walmart. Nakalimutan ko. And Saturday ngayon, and yung kapatid ni Tami, nag-text kagabi. Gusto niyang papuntahin kami doon sa bahay nila. Kasi hindi kami pupunta sa isang bahay. Pupunta yung anak niya doon, asawa, 2 apo, and then yung mother-in-law niya, yung matanda. So, yan, andin kami. May inom ako ng tubig. Kunin ko lang itong mga marshmallow, guys, kasi ang dami. Nakalimutan ko talagang bumili ng cereal na na unsweetened, na walang sugar. Dami kasing tao nung pumunta ako kahapon.
1 hour later.
Nakatulog, tulog ako balik. Kasi hindi ako natulog, kulang yung tulog ko. Sabi ko matulog ako, kagising ko lang, lumabas ako, nagpainit. Ayan yun, kain tayo ng banana bread. Buti na lang may araw. Pero nakatulog talaga ako, guys. Sumakit ulo ko. Hindi pa rin, Saturday ngayon, di ba? Hindi pa rin tumawag yung kapatid ni Tami. Andrea called? Who called you? What happened? Hindi pa rin tumawag, kapatid. So, hintayin na lang namin. I think mamaya pa naman talaga yung nila. Usually, hapon yan sila. Hindi ako nag-coffee ba? That's why my head is killing me. I don't have coffee, that's why. So, hindi ako mag-coffee, guys. Pero, I drink coffee, maybe half of this. Para lang, sa bread. Pero I'm gonna take coffee. Yeah, I forgot to have coffee. I forgot to have coffee, hon. Huh? Can you make a coffee for me?
Sure, why don't you have lunch?
You know why I like the way he make coffee? I don't know. For some reason, mine is bitter and tastes funny. I don't understand. Maybe he overflowed with sugar. Why? The banana bread, honey, it's good, hon.
Yeah, but not food for lunch.
I know. You still watching this show?
The show was actually good. I don't know why you say something.
Hello, guys. So, guys, mali na naman yung akala ko. Yung mga akala natin mali-mali. I know we have another shrimp here. Where is that shrimp? It's not here. Huh? I know, I remember. It's a raw shrimp. Downstairs? So, yun. So, Saturday, diba? So, ngayon, akala ko, ngayon yung gathering sa bahay. Hindi gathering, parang kita-kita lang sa bahay sa kapatid ni Tami doon malapit sa amin. So, yun. Akala ko ngayong araw. So, sabi ko kay Tami, kailan ba tatawag yung kapatid mo? Kasi, maliligo pa ako, maghihintay tayo, gano'n. Gusto kong malaman kung kailan. Sabi pa niya, today is Saturday. The plan is Sunday. So, Ginoo ko, Sunday pala yung plano. Hindi pala ngayon. Kaluka naman ito eh. Sabi pa niya. So, hindi kami kakain ng meat. So, ang tawag nito? Cherries. Frozen. Bumili siya na the shrimp is not here. So where the heck it is? Bukas pala yung ano ay. Ay, andito pala. Alam nyo, meron akong sasabihin guys. Kagabi, nanonood ako ng yung mga bahay na may mga maraming gamit. Like, itong bahay namin at saka yung bahay ni Bianan. So, may mga ganong show. And then, ang ginawa nila is tumawag sila ng appraiser. Mga mag-appraise ba? Appraisal, yung mga magtingin-tingin sa mga old stuff. Kung magkaano, mga collectibles. Ganon. Sus guys, nanonood ako. Sigaw ako ng sigaw. Hala, ano yan? Katulad niyang sa'yo, yung mga old na mga gamit ni Bianan. And then kay Tamimoy din. Sabi ko, patay, pareha talaga. Ang daming, ang mga may presyo, mga cars na mga maliliit laruan. Collectibles. So sabi ko, hala, mag-start na akong magtingin sa baba kung anong meron. Si Tami na naman busy. Manonood sana kami ng guys, movie. But it's kind of sideways sa TV. And what are you doing?
It's converting.
I-season ko lang ito guys. Tapos na kami nanonood. Alam nyo ba panood namin? Godzilla vs. King Kong. So, yun yung pinapanood namin all day. Season ko lang siya and then lutuin ko siya mamaya kasi maaga pa naman eh. Gusto ko yung spiciness. Si Tami kasi ayaw niyang avoid niya yung meat hanggang Sunday. Sa Sunday hanggang Sunday yung avoid meat niya. Susundin ko lang siya kung ano yung kakainin niya. Yung walang meat, ganun. Gusto ko yung maraming spicy. Ayaw ko ng boring na shrimp. Yun, salad, and shrimp, and meron pa naman kaming eggplant farm. Hindi ko pa na, tinitignan ko yung ko guys, yung tinanim ko doon na pagkain yung salad, litos ni Tami. Okay naman siya, pero I think kailangan ko siyang tubigan bukas kasi dry na yung lupa. Maulan siya the other day, pero ngayon nag-dry siya dahil ang dali-dali ng panahon guys. Hindi ako makapaniwala na noong 20 plus pa ako, mga 20 pataas, hindi pa mga 30, 32, 33, hindi ko akalain na ang bilis ng panahon talaga. Noon sobrang tagal, parang ang tagal kong kumanda. Pero ngayon parang ang bilis, parang ang bilis ng kumanda. I said the time is really fast, honey. I get old quick. Ha? Inatake ako ng boredom. Okay, I'm going to cook this na before this go bad. Na ano talaga ako parang sa ngayon walang ganap wala talagang ganap. Pasensya na talaga kayo sa buhay ko. Are we gonna go out Monday?
That's what I figured.
Like where?
I don't know.
Out back?
We'll do it out back if there's one around here.
Nagpaplano kami guys kasi yung natin, kaarawan natin, Lunes. And then ngayon, gusto ko sanang yung roast beef. Is that how you call it? Oh no, not roast beef.
Prime rib.
Prime rib. I keep saying roast beef guys. Prime rib pala yun. Ay, Ginoo ko Lord. So, prime rib. And so sabi pa nitong isa, lalabas daw kami para maiba naman. God bless you, Han. Para maiba naman sa kaarawan natin, di ba? So plano natin sana matuloy kasi thank you, love. So yun guys, usapan namin kasi na ako kung anong gagawin para hindi na daw ako magluto, para lalabas kami na lang. ang sweet ng baby. Oh, you're so sweet thinking. Kasi kanina nag-usap talaga kami tayo niya. Labas tayo para maiba, para hindi ka na magluto. Ganun. So, sabi ko, hala, pag-isipan ko muna dong. Palagi kong masasabi guys, kalas. Nagsayang kami ng pera ba? Kasi marami naman tayong pagkain dito maluto dong. Pero parang maiba naman, kaarawan mo. Oh, ang sweet naman ng baby. He shook his head. Honey, you really are sweet of thinking should bring me out. Usually guys, we're always out guys. You know, before. It's like before this pandemic when mom is still here. We go out. Not all the time, but right, Han?
Yeah.
We go out, we buy food outside, and sometimes we eat at home, and I don't like going out. I like to stay home and just cook, right, baby boy? I'm going to make some salad. Hindi ko ito i-mix lahat kasi ayaw ni Tami yun i-mix lahat. Pagod na. Pagod na siya, pagod. Naman ito. And then, hihimayin ko yung kay Tami kasi ayaw niya yung may shell. Lagyan natin ito. Ano lang, vinegar.
I can send you a link to it if you want to see it.
So, gawa natin si Tami ng plate.
Right now I have a Roku, but if you update it, it takes off the spectrum and you can't put spectrum back on.
Salad and shrimp. Ito yung paborito ni Tami kainin guys, as in. Ito yung gustong-gusto niyang kainin talaga. Salad, and then bigyan natin ng shrimp sa ibabaw.
Well, you don't have spectrum on your Roku, but if you
And your dinner is ready. Look at how pretty is this.
Did you probably finish yours?
Yeah, I did give them already.
Did you really? That's why they didn't come looking for me. Okay.
Come here, your dinner is ready. Oh, look how pretty is your food. Come here, love. It's seasoned already, the salad. Look at this.
I think we're gonna put it on rice and we'll salad on side.
Oh my God, do you want me to undo it?
No.
Come here, eat your food. It's like a restaurant thing. Honey, I make an effort to make you happy.
I appreciate that. You peeled all my shrimp. Really, I had no work to do.
All you have to do is open your mouth and chew. You want me to chew it?
You gave me too many shrimp, honey.
Because no, because this is I counted it.
You counted nothing.
Yes, I did. I made some rice. I'm good, hon. I'm happy with what I have. Eat na because you know there's more salad if you want more salad. Do you want me to heat rice for you?
Nah, that's made from real chicken. You know, jerky chicken.
It's steak, huh? It's beef. Oh no, it's turkey. Jerky
Chicken.
turkey. No, it's jerky turkey. You funny. Don't look at me like that.
The big bag?
Yeah.
No,
Huh?
check.
It's a jerky turkey. That's how I remember the name. It's kind of funny. What? Chicken. Chicken. Chicken jerky.
I told you chicken. No. This is how I remember the name. Jerky turkey. I know you just create that in your head and the sticks there.
The jerky turkey is our food that we buy. That little tiny one.
And we get our kids to stare at us.
Well, you give them turkey too. Oh, it's not even a turkey you gave. It's a, how do you call
I give them
this?
turkey and ham.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did. It's cold out here. It's cold. Oh my god.
Remarkably, and this is amazing, that's not what
It's
Delta was
cold.
saying about the
Pasok tayo. Sobrang ginaw. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kahit wala masyadong ganap sa buhay. Salamat sa panunood. Thank you so much. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, meron tayong vlog. Hopefully, meron tayong vlog bukas. But anyway, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.